Welcome back to my floor, which can only mean one thing. It's another packing video. So this time we are doing 2 weeks in Thailand with just a 30-litre under-seat cabin bag. So originally when I first booked the flight, it said that the cabin baggage allowance on one of my flights was only 5 kilograms, which even for me, I thought that was going to be impossible. But since I've booked it, they've upped it to 7 kilograms. So I am very happy about that. So this is the bag I am taking again. It's my 30-litre cabin max bag, and I will show everything that is inside for my 2-week trip. At the moment, it weighs about 5.5. I think with the last few little bits that I need to chuck in, it will be about 6 is I think what it's going to be. But let's have a look inside. So here is everything laid out on the floor that I will be taking. So first we'll go over the clothes. So I will be wearing everything twice. I will also take laundry leaves, which are just tucked down there so I can wash some of the things. But we have 1 t-shirt, 3 black vest tops, a strapless lightweight top. This is a kimono that will cover my arms. This is an all-in-one shorts with another top. Then we have 3 pairs of shorts and a belt for this particular pair of black shorts. Then a rash vest for snorkel trips. We have 3 bikinis and a hat, and then there's a couple of other bits, but let's put it all into the packing cube and then I'll go through some of the other bits that I have. So now most of the clothes and my backpack and things like that are all into this compression packing cube. I don't actually need to compress it, it all fits in it just normally. But then if we grab my backpack, this then slides into the bottom of the backpack and it keeps it at the dimension for the bag. So inside we have it like this. So when it's done up, it keeps its shape as well, which is what I really like. So we do that like so, and then it has a whole lot of space on the top for more stuff. So then in another packing cube, I have this little teeny tiny one here. I will put things like the bug repellent wipes. I then have 2 bug band repellent bracelets. I don't know if they're going to work very well, but we've got them anyway. And then we will also have my stick deodorant goes in there too. We then will have some spare rehydration sachets will go in there. My aloe vera soap will go in there. My memory card adapter for my phone, so I will only be taking a phone on this trip. So then with the adapter I can then put any photos or videos onto a memory card and back them up, so that goes in there as well. We then have a solid shampoo bar, although I think most of my accommodation will have toiletries, but we've got solid shampoo bar in there as well. My belt for my shorts, like I said, they don't stay up without them. And then the laundry leaves. So these are like teeny tiny little pieces of soap that when you put them underwater, they dissolve and turn into like washing liquid. So I will be taking that for my clothes. So again, that can go in there as well. Then have my adapter so I can charge things. So that will go into the smaller packing cube. So then all of those fit on top of the big pink one, and then we will have my flip-flops will go into a plastic bag, just because these are really dirty and old and disgusting, but it's fine, they'll just get more dirty when I'm away. So then they go in a bag, into the bag as well. And then I have my liquids bag. So this is all we can take as hand luggage at the moment still, although it is meant to be changing next year. So I have about 200 mils of sun cream. It has bug repellent inside it as well. And then I divided it up into a 50, a 100 and another 50. I then have like various bug repellent things and bite sticks, things like that. So that's all the liquids that I have. Again, fits into the top quite nicely. There's still some space available. And then still haven't put my sunglasses in yet because I will still be using them for the next few days. Something that will be slightly different to what I'm taking is I will be taking a Bluetooth keyboard. So I usually take a journal with me, but I started doing digital journals now. When I take my laptop or my iPad, I've been using this for the iPad and I've been putting it onto like a word processor thing. But I'm not taking my laptop or my iPad, so I will be using this with my phone. So I will be doing that. It's actually almost lighter than a journal and obviously doesn't need a pen. So that will go in the front pocket of my bag. And then we have the mini first aid kit. I've done videos about what I've taken before. So we'll put that in as well. And then I can't actually put my wash bag in yet because I've got another trip just before I go to Thailand. But then these are all the cables that I will be taking. So I have one for my MP3 player, I have one for my phone, I have one for my watch, my Kindle and my power bank. So they are all for those. They go into the front pocket here. That's just, there's not really much else that can fit in the front. So the cables go into that one like so. And then we have my water bottle pouch. So this is a 150 ml one. It's quite good. It's good to fill up from like fountains and things like that. It's just nice to be able to have like a drink on you without having to take a massive water bottle. So I have this, and then I have my hat, and I've got one that's like really lightweight and can squish down. So I've got that one. And then I have this little bag, this belt bag for my passport, my money and my power bank and my phone. I can either wear it around me or it does also fit into here as well. So I think that's most of what I am taking. There's not really a huge amount extra, but if you have any questions about some of the things that I pack or anything else about things I take, let me know and I will make a video or reply to the comments. So I will see you next time. Bye.